How to enable dark mode on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on WeChat app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here you simply need to tap on the option labeled as settings, and once you are in a settings section, simply tap on general. And now here in the general section you can see the option labeled as dark mode, so simply tap on that. And here I have enabled the auto options in the dark mode, but you can simply toggle it off, and after toggling it off the menu will appear at the downside. Now from there simply tap on dark mode, and after that you can simply tap on done button at the top right corner of the screen and confirm it by tapping on OK on the pop-up menu, and after that WeChat app will restart. And here as you can see we have enabled dark mode on WeChat app. And that's all there is to it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.